Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish idiom. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download flashcards. If you want to purchase any of these sets, the link is down below. Also remember that you can get a membership on this channel and the perks are right here. Let's get started. So the Spanish idiom of the day is estar en la luna. Estar en la luna. Do you know what this idiom means? This idiom means to be miles away, to have your head in the clouds, or to be on another planet. Essentially, we're talking about being clueless when you're just daydreaming, you're just looking at nothing, like you're just not there. You're just thinking about something else. And this literally means to be on the moon. Estar en la luna means that when you are not present, you're present, but you're not paying attention to what is happening around you. Of course, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb estar in order to use this idiom. That's why you should get this flashcard set. Okay? Advertisement. Okay, now let's see a few examples using this idiom. Miguel siempre está en la luna. Miguel siempre está en la luna. This means Miguel always has his head in the clouds. Like, what's going on, Miguel? Miguel is always doing something. In this situation, he is not paying attention. Miguel siempre está en la luna. Miguel always has his head in the clouds. Okay? So that's quite interesting. We're talking about clouds in English and we're talking about the moon in Spanish. So that's very peculiar. Now let's see another example using this idiom. Siempre te repito las cosas. Estás en la luna. Siempre te repito las cosas. Estás en la luna. I always repeat things to you. You're on another planet. Okay, so someone is distracted as well. Estás en la luna. You are on another planet. Remember, siempre, always. Siempre, always. Te repito. I repeat. Las cosas, things, to you, because we're saying te repito, so you are repeating to someone something, right? Okay. Siempre te repito las cosas. Estás en la luna. I always repeat things to you. You are on another planet. Okay, let's see another example. Los alumnos siempre están en la luna. No entendieron la lección. Los alumnos siempre están en la luna. No entendieron la lección. This means the students are always miles away. They did not understand the lesson, or they didn't understand the lesson. Okay, están en la luna are miles away. Who are miles away? Los alumnos, the students. So, to be miles away might not be a common idiom. Just let me know in the comment section down below if the idiom to be miles away is frequently used where you live, or if you have heard of this idiom before. So yeah, los alumnos siempre, the students always, están en la luna, are miles away, or the students are always miles away. No entendieron, they did not understand. My straight line is bad. They did not understand la lección, the lesson. Okay? interesting stuff. Okay. Now let's see more examples. Another 3 examples using this idiom. Deja de estar en la luna y ponte a trabajar. Deja de estar en la luna y ponte a trabajar. So this means stop being on another planet and get to work. Okay, stop being on another planet. Deja de estar en la luna y ponte a trabajar. And get to work. Estar en la luna, being on another planet. Okay, we're not talking about planets here. We're talking about the moon, which is a satellite, but it's pretty close, right? So to be on another planet is similar to be on the moon, but you know, planets, moons, space, you can remember that easily. Okay. The next example is disculpa, siempre estoy en la luna. Disculpa, siempre estoy en la luna. This means I'm sorry, I always have my head in the clouds. Yeah, okay. So, estoy en la luna, have my head in the clouds. Now we're talking about clouds again. Disculpa, I'm sorry. Siempre estoy, I always, and in this situation have. Here is to be, but just, you know, an approximate translation, right? Have my head in the clouds. Estoy en la luna. Okay, and lastly, pon atención. Deja de estar en la luna. Pon atención. Deja de estar en la luna. This means pay attention. Stop being miles away. Estar en la luna, being miles away. Pon atención. That's an important phrase in Spanish. Pay attention. Pon atención. Deja de, stop, estar en la luna, being miles away. Okay? So that is interesting that we have deja de. Deja de is like saying stop. Like when you want someone to stop doing something, right? Deja de comer. Stop eating, okay? But in this case, we're talking about this idiom, right? Estar en la luna, being miles away. Okay, so if you are clueless, you're pretty much living on the moon. Okay, so, or if you see someone who's daydreaming, they're living on the moon. I hope one day we can do that though. That would be great. Would you live on the moon? That would be something interesting to do, right? Okay, so the Spanish idiom of the day was estar en la luna, estar en la luna, and it means to be miles away, to have your head in the clouds, and to be on another planet. It literally means to be on the moon. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download flashcards. All the links are in the video description down below. And also we have a new set as well. Links down below. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. No, I said that already. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. You can also get a membership on this channel and the perks are right here. Another way to support the channel is through donations. You can do that through PayPal and the link is down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!